Morning everyone, I'm here in Cebu City, Mactan International Airport. So here's the view outside. It's a little bit raining and a little bit humid. So I have to go back to Taiwan at 12:40 afternoon, and I'm right. My plane is Eva Airlines. There's the view outside. You can see the AirAsia plane, United Air Hong Kong, and the Starlux is just arrived. And there's the Philippine airline over there, Cebu Pacific Airline. So have a good day everyone. Thank you for watching.